The next chapter is cube and cube roots. In that, first, what is a cube of a number? Say, for example, a. Is that number which can be raised to power 3. For example, I can say a cube of a 2 is that number is what is that cube of 2 is that number is what 8, because 8 can be raised to power 3. 8 can be raised to power 3. For example, I can say cube of a 2 is equal to 8 because 8 can be raised to power 3, like that. Then what is a uh, perfect cube? A natural number is said to be a perfect cube. It is a cube of some natural numbers. Again, for example, a natural number n is a perfect cube if there exists a natural number m whose cube is n. 7. This is example. 8 is a perfect cube because there exists a natural number 2 whose cube is 8. 8 is a perfect cube because there exists a natural number 2 whose cube is equal to 8. Okay, which is equal to 8. Then what is a perfect cube? The next one is next important note we should understand. If suppose a p divides a prime number divides m, then p into p divides also m into m. P means p3 divides m cube. For example, 2 divides 4 is there. 2 divides 4, definitely 2 into 2, 4. Okay. Then 4 cube, 2 cube divides also 4 because see here it can divides 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 4, 2, 4. Therefore, 2 cube divides 4 cube also. Okay, this is how we can understand. Okay, the next step is in order to check whether the given number is a perfect cube or not. You have to follow some steps. What first express the given number as a product of prime factors, and you have to group the factors in triples or in such a way that each group should contain only 3 equal factors. This is important. 3, it only contains 3 factors that should be equal. If it contains 2, 2 into 2 into 2 like that, or it likes 3 into 3 into 3, only prime factors it contains, okay, or 5 into 5 into 5 like that. It should contain 3, 1, 2, 3, and it should be equal. Okay, equal means what? 1, 3, it should be 3 only, not like this 3 into 5 into 2. It is not wrong. Okay, it contains 3 but not equal factors. Okay, 2, 2 into 2 into 2 like that. If no factor is left over in a grouping, then in step 2, whatever in step 2, if you are following, then the number is perfect cube. Okay. Then to find the natural number whose cube is given number, you take one factor from each group and multiply them. For example, I can say you have to whatever after in step 2, you take two factors. I will give an example, then you can easily understand. For example, 8 is there. 8 is a perfect cube. I'll convert first step is 2 into 2 into 2. I'll group them. There exists only one factor. Okay, just you take one factor from each group. What is that? 2 is is whose cube is given number, whose to find the number that is 2 whose cube means 2 cube is equal to 8. Again we can get same 8 like that. Okay, with an example you can understand. Take for example, I can say I will give an example here. Okay, I will take an example. For example I can say example I will take example. Find is a 27,000 is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. Our question is like that. Then what is the number? What is the number whose cube is okay, whose cube is 27,000. First what we can, you make prime factorization. For that 27,000 you write here. Take a smallest factor, that is 2. First start with 2. Can it divide 2700? Yes. 2 1 ja. Okay. 2 3 ja. 1 is remaining. 2 5 ja. Okay. Again still it divides by 2. Yes, of course, because it can be divided. 2 6 ja 12. 1 is remaining. 2 7 ja 14. 1 is remaining. Okay. 2 5 ja. Okay. Still it divides by 2. Yes, of course. 2 3 ja 6. And 2 3 ja 6. 1 is remaining. 2 7 ja 14. Okay, double. Then 2 5 ja 10. Then it divides by 3. 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 3 2 ja 6. 2 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15. Then it again it divides by 3. 3 3 ja 9. Then 3 7 ja 22 is 3 7 is 21 and 3 5 ja. Again it divides by 3. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 12. 3 5 ja. Okay, then it divides by 5. 5 2 ja 5 5 ja. Okay, then again 5 5. See, 27,000 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5, like that. First group the factors. You have to group the factors in triple in such a way that each group should contain equal number of factors, 3 equal number of factors. Okay, definitely it equal number 3 equal number of factors. Okay, then the given number is perfect cube. In order to get the number whose cube is given number, whose cube is 27,000, you have to take each factor from each group. You take 2 from this group and you take 3 from this group, you take 5 from this group. What we get? 3 5 is 15 and to 2, that is 30. whose 30 cube of 30 is given number. See, this is how we can solve the examples. This is very